I think it's a voice box, actually. Or,
Is it?
yeah.
I don't think so.
I do.
You think it's a bot?
No, I think it's a person with a voice mod on. He's fucking with us, basically. I think. I don't know.
I don't
Oh,
think
wait,
so.
maybe not. I don't know.
I think it's a little.
Where are you?
Help us!
How do I pull out my radio?
Did you guys hear me?
No. You
Help
gotta have
us!
your radio out.
Oh, you do?
Where are you? I need to come to you.
Heading back to camp. Help us, please.
How do you get?
I need warmth. Hit I and then equip your radio.
I've decided to join the cannibals.
Open bracket, where are you located?
Fucker.
It's a woman, Craig. Hello? Hello, we've made contact. Over.
Over.
See ya. Yep.
We are going to open bracket. Over.
Can y'all hear me?
You hear me? Hello?
We can hear you. Over.
I'm not sure how this walkie-talkie works.
Put it in your hand. Over.
You're supposed to tell him. He's supposed to say over, or he's going to be out of protocol.
Please
Isn't
use.
there a
So who
proximity
am I heading
check?
over to?
Nice job with the over. Over.
Bracket is flying.